Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video is we're gonna learn about how to redeem YouTube Premium code. So for you to be able to redeem your YouTube Premium code, first things first is to go to your local browser. So as you can see, we're currently onto Chrome right now, and onto the search bar you need to type in youtube.com/redeem. Then press on enter, and then you'll get redirected onto another page. So this is the page wherein you could go ahead and type in the code. So if you're redeeming a gift card, you'll continue to Google Play after you enter your code in here, and then you'll just need to type it in here, and by clicking next, you should agree to the gift card and promotional code, terms and conditions as applicable. So just simply type in the code in here, press on to next, and then right after, you should be able to receive a notification that you have successfully redeemed the YouTube Premium code. And that is how easy you can redeem YouTube Premium code. And if you think this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.